find it very exciting to be able to be part of these females' journey into a career in agriculture. So for me, it's not just about guidance, it's also about being part of their journey to shape the future that they would like to have.
And my mentor suggested that it would be a good way to meet some people, get a little better at networking, which is always a little bit nerve-wracking. But actually the sessions this morning were great. They were a really good reminder about just confidence and trusting in your own voice.
It's really about making connections with like other industry, thought leadership people and other industry players. The interaction in the room, it just goes to show how many people really, really want to have difficult conversations and need the skills and the tools for it. I enjoyed that. That was my favorite part.
I think this awards means a testimony of the efforts and a company that is committed to invest in DEI and gender equality. So I think it shows recognition that DEI is important. Women are part of the game, and we need to make more initiatives like this to change the narrative that it has been in the past.
So events like Women in Food and Agriculture and initiatives like Women in Food and Agriculture are important because they help amplify the voices of women in what is a traditionally male-dominated industry. They help with networking opportunities and mentoring, and also by promoting gender equality, we are actually providing a more inclusive and more sustainable industry which benefits everyone.
It's an amazing place where you learn what is going on in your company, in your industry, behind the scenes, and how you build the future you have been looking for and gain the competitive advantage while taking care of your teams and the people that work for you and with you. Simple as that.